you guys? It's your girl Dana and welcome to my channel. Happy New Year! I'm so excited because one of my New Year's resolutions was to create even more videos for you guys. So make sure you leave in the comments how frequent you want me to post, whether you want recipes once a month, bi-weekly, weekly, I would love to know. I also am excited to bring you my favorite recipe, what I eat every single day, tropical smoothie bowls. They're my favorite. I love them so much. I'm not exaggerating. I literally eat them every day. There's always something different you can do, and it's fun that you can add different toppings that you'll get to see. So before we get in, please make sure that you subscribe. Also hit the notification bell, and please give me a thumbs up if you love this video. Let's get right in. Alrighty, so one of our smoothie bowls that we're going to be making is a Kiwi tropical smoothie bowl. It's really delicious. It just reminds you of being on an island in the tropical islands. And it's really great because the green that you're going to see, that color, is actually going to come from a natural ingredient, which is green spirulina. All the exact measurements and benefits for all of this smoothie bowl is going to be in the description below underneath that arrow. So I'm excited because what we have is frozen banana, frozen kiwi, frozen pineapple, and then we have some amazing toppings that we have. I found this from our really kind of specialty grocery store, which is a starfruit. We have balled pineapple, balled dragon fruit, sliced kiwi, some coconut. If you want to toast that coconut, you can. Really up to you. And then you can add other different toppings. If you don't like these toppings, add some granola, add some peanut butter, add whatever that you like, whatever is your preference. So let's get right in. All right, so you're kind of wondering and you say, how do I get my smoothie bowl to be velvety? How do I get it to be creamy? Because when I make it at home, it's not looking like yours, Dana. And the real key is that you have to get a food processor. We're going to be using it all throughout. You're going to see me make so many recipes. We have different, I make pie crust out of this, puddings, parfaits, crust, sliced vegetables. We're going to do so much with this, and you're going to see a lot of other YouTubers, we all use a food processor because it does give it a different consistency, and it's just so, you can make so many different things. And what I like about it, it's for this that we're going to do that's a little different is up here, you're gonna see that I have in the shredder. Every food processor comes with one, and it comes with different sizes, different kinds. And what we're gonna do this time compared to some of our other recipes is I'm going to take our frozen banana, and then I'm gonna put on a low and a high, and you're gonna see that it's just gonna shred. And it's gonna make it easier to blend when it's time to blend, okay? All right, you guys. So what I did was, as you saw, that I just shredded down the pineapple and the banana. So easy. That's my little secret to make it really creamy and easy to blend. If you don't want to use the shredder in your food processor, you can totally just have it in the hunks. You see me do it in other videos. I just linked it, okay? So this just makes it a little bit more creamy, a little velvet, and doesn't make the food processor work as hard. You can also shred down the kiwi. You don't have to. I'm just putting it in there. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the green spirulina I told you. It's gonna really make it that pretty color. It's gonna boost some energy. It's gonna add some vitamins and minerals. And you're not gonna taste it. Even though it's technically like green algae, you don't taste it. It's one of those kind of things that just blends in really nicely, okay? And now I'm just gonna blend it until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Alrighty, so what we're gonna do, we're already done. Did you see that I didn't add any liquid? No liquid. It just gives it that, look at that green. I want the camera to come in. So this is the consistency. Look at that velvet. I can't make it up. All you're gonna do is you're gonna scoop it right into your coconut bowl. Oh my gosh. You can't get better than this. Look at that green. and enjoy. Then add whatever toppings that you want to put. Enjoy it. Okay. All right, so one of our smoothie bowls that we're gonna do is my ocean blue smoothie bowl. What's great, it really boosts your immune system and helps with good skin and clearing skin from some of the ingredients. Don't forget that I'll put all the benefits in the description below underneath this video with all the exact measurements. So for this, what we're gonna do for that ocean blue color, we're gonna do is blue spirulina. It's just a natural ingredient that's going to give it that natural blue color, so there's no artificial colors at all, and you won't even be able to taste it. It's just really beneficial to your body. And we're going to use frozen bananas. If you don't want to use frozen bananas, you can always just add in more frozen mangoes. I know for different dietary restrictions, totally fine and up to you. So we have frozen mango, and we also have frozen pineapple. So basically I'm just going to do the same routine that I did, where I'm going to shred it. I'm going to use my shredder in the food processor, and you'll see that process. If you don't have the shredder, you can just use the blade and just put all the fruit in. It just might take a little harder to blend, and you might have to add a little liquid to get that consistency going, okay? All right, so once you have all those ingredients blended and you add it in your blue spirulina, look at that natural blue. Look at the velvet. Does it look like the ocean? I wore my blue Swiss topaz ring just for this. And then you're just going to add in to your coconut bowl or whatever bowl you're using. And you can add granola, you can have coconut flakes, you can add frozen pineapple, you can add blueberries on top, however you want it, whatever you're in the mood for. And let me know which one is your favorite. Yum. All right, so now we're gonna make my pink and peachy smoothie bowl. So yummy, even as amazing as it sounds. Guys, don't be discouraged just because it's pink and the name says pink and peachy. You will love this as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have some frozen peaches that we're gonna shred down. We're also gonna shred down the bananas the same way that I did. As like I said before, if you don't have that shredder part for the food processor, you can just blend it right in there. Or if you guys wanna try it in your high-speed blender, why not? Give it a try. It might turn out really good. So it just might not be that same velvety, but it will be creamy, and you might have to add a little bit of liquid. And also we're gonna use is dragon fruit powder. That's gonna give it that natural pink and a pretty color in that smoothie bowl. It's also really high in vitamin C and potassium, so it's really good nutrients and benefits. And what I did to get that powder, I couldn't find the powder anywhere. So what I could find was dried dragon fruit. All it is just dragon fruit that's dried up. And I took it and I put it in my Vitamix blender that's behind me, and it came up just as the powder. So easy, saves you money. I was gonna either use the dragon fruit or beet powder. Beet powder was almost $20, the smallest I could find. And I'm all about affordability, you guys. So make it work. Do what you gotta do. If you don't have that high-speed blender, but you find the dried dragon fruit, you can roll it out with the pastry, however you got to do it, okay? So I'm just gonna throw those frozen fruits in the blender as I've done with those other ones, and then we're just gonna add that powder and blend, okay? All right, so once we have that all blended and whipped up and nice and velvety, we're just gonna add in that dragon fruit powder, shaking out. And the more you add, the darker it will be. The lighter you add, the lighter it will be. Alrighty, so once you have that all blended up and you shred it and you blend it and you added in that natural dragon fruit, it's gonna be nice and creamy and give it a beautiful pink color. And that's that pink and peachy. Then you're just gonna add your toppings, whether you wanna add some frozen strawberries, some granola, some coconut flakes, some fresh fruit, however you like it. Put in your comments what toppings you like the best. Alrighty. All right, you guys, I can't believe we're already done. That was so fast, so quick, so easy. Make sure you let me know which flavor you're gonna eat first. Listen, I couldn't decide, so I just put it all in one bowl. I just mixed that all up, and let's have a little sample test. So good, so creamy, so velvety, so fluffy, healthy. Quick and healthy. A perfect breakfast, a perfect lunch, a perfect snack, whatever you want to do with it. I love it. Full of minerals, full of nutrition, full of vitamins. You can't beat it. I'm excited for all the recipes I have for this entire year, which means that you need to make sure that you subscribe. Also hit the notification bell. It's really important that you hit that notification bell because YouTube no longer sends emails, so that go right to your phone so that you know anytime I upload a new video. And also give me a thumbs up if you love these delicious smoothie bowls. Make sure you leave me a comment which one you're gonna make first. Love you, bye.